A healthy garden is a joy to behold, but uninvited guests like weeds and pests can quickly spoil the party. They compete with your precious plants for food, water, and light. Left unchecked, they can take over, leaving your garden weaker and less productive. That's why keeping them under control is so important. We want a thriving garden full of life and color. This means taking care of our plants and protecting them from harm. A few weeds here and there might seem harmless, but they can quickly multiply and become a big headache. The same goes for pests. A nibbled leaf or two might not seem like a big deal, but it's a sign that you have hungry visitors. These pests can damage your plants, spread diseases, and reduce your harvest. So, what's a gardener to do? Don't worry, there are plenty of ways to manage weeds and pests without resorting to harsh chemicals. Let's explore some natural and effective methods that will keep your garden healthy and thriving. Organic gardening is all about working with nature, not against it. This means saying no to harmful chemicals and embracing natural methods to control weeds and pests. One of the best ways to prevent weeds is by depriving them of sunlight. A thick layer of mulch on your soil acts like a blanket, blocking out the light that weeds need to grow. Hand weeding might seem tedious, but it's a great way to stay active in your garden and get up close and personal with your plants. Plus, it allows you to remove weeds before they have a chance to spread their seeds. Another clever trick is to use weed barriers. These are permeable fabrics that you lay down on the soil, preventing weeds from growing through. They allow water and air to reach your plants while keeping those pesky weeds at bay. Nature provides an abundance of tools and remedies to keep pests under control. Companion planting is a great example of this. By planting certain plants together, you can create a natural defense against pests. For example, planting marigolds alongside your vegetables can help deter aphids and other common garden pests. Marigolds release a scent that these pests find unpleasant, keeping them away from your vulnerable plants. Did you know that many insects are beneficial to your garden? Ladybugs, for instance, are natural predators of aphids. Attracting these helpful creatures to your garden is like having a tiny army fighting on your behalf. And if you do need a little extra help, there are plenty of organic pesticides available. Neem oil, derived from the neem tree, is a natural insecticide that disrupts the life cycle of many pests. Maintaining a healthy garden doesn't require complicated routines. A few simple steps can make a world of difference. Regular inspection is key. Take a stroll through your garden every few days, looking closely at your plants for any signs of pests or diseases. Early detection is crucial. The sooner you spot a problem, the easier it is to address it before it gets out of hand. Crop rotation is another simple yet effective technique. By changing the location of your crops each year, you disrupt the life cycle of pests and diseases that may have taken up residence in the soil. This helps to prevent infestations and keeps your soil healthy and balanced. Remember, a thriving garden is a happy garden. By embracing these organic methods, you can create a space where your plants will flourish and you can reap the rewards of your labor. Happy gardening!